Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie. Today, we're making black fungus red date soup. First, place 30 grams of red dates in a bowl and add enough water to cover them. Let them soak for 10 minutes to fully absorb the water and become plump. At the same time, soak 30 grams of wood ear mushrooms until they are fully rehydrated, then rinse them thoroughly to remove any impurities. Next, bring water to a boil in a pot. Once the water is boiling, add the soaked red dates and wood ear mushrooms. Cover the pot with a lid, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. This allows the nutrients from the red dates and wood ear mushrooms to infuse into the soup. After simmering for 20 minutes, add 15 grams of rock sugar and stir well to ensure the sugar dissolves completely, adding a touch of sweetness to the soup. Finally, your delicious sweet red date and wood ear mushroom soup is ready to serve. This light and sweet soup is perfect for daily enjoyment. Friends, you must try our black fungus red date soup. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share.